There are various buttons and levers that can be found in your EV to help you take control of your journey. Let's get to know them. First, you have the turn signal lever. To signal a left turn, like in most vehicles, just shift the lever down. And to signal a right turn, shift the lever up. Your steering wheel is also equipped with buttons to help you make commands easily while keeping your focus on the road. Some of the driver assistance features have on-off buttons here, such as Super Cruise if equipped, and Cruise Control. For Cruise Control, this button can be used to engage or disengage the feature, while the Cruise Cancel button can be used to cancel the set cruise speed while the feature is still on. There's also a Res or Set button that allows you to set your speed or resume your speed after braking, and increase or reduce the speed. You can also answer or end calls with just a button press. Use voice commands with the Push to Talk button. And more buttons like the Accept, Audio Source, Heated Steering Wheel if equipped, and Change Cluster Configuration buttons for other simple commands. Let's move on to the Heated and Ventilated Seats controls, which can be found on your center display. Just press this icon to see the modes. Depending on your vehicle, there are up to 3 modes you can choose from. Heat up the seat back, heat up the seat back and cushion, and ventilate the front seats. Press your desired button to turn the feature on, and it will automatically turn on to the highest setting. You can adjust the level by pushing the button. Each press will lower the level until it turns off. And finally, there are drive mode settings. Driver mode control allows you to tailor your vehicle's performance in response to road conditions or driving preferences. You can also find this on your center display. There are up to 4 drive modes to choose from depending on your vehicle. Just press the drive modes icon to choose a setting. You can use normal mode for a smooth ride in normal driving conditions. Then there's Sport mode, which you can use for enhanced responsiveness. The Snow Ice mode can be used for enhanced traction and controllability on snowy roads. My mode lets you personalize your settings for acceleration feel, brake feel, steering, motor sound, and other systems. You can customize your settings for each of these by pressing this button. And there's Wide Open Watts or WOW mode, which maximizes propulsion power delivery to give extra motor torque for short duration, straight line acceleration. Now that you have learned the controls, all the features available on your vehicle can help you take control of your journey.